This exercise is designed to help you to draw a riser quickly and easily in Practicad. I have the Practicad exercise template opened. I have it split into two screens. The right screen is in Southwest Isometric in 3D visual style. The left screen I'm actually going to click on to 3D wireframe, and I've got it in plan view. I've zoomed into this section of the drawing right here. Pause your screen and please do the same. The next step is going to be to come up to the fitting bin. We're going to select the fitting rectangular duct, click once. We're then going to open up our fitting parameter box and assign the parameters 40 by 24. Then go to the elevation box and state that the bottom of this duct will be at 0 feet. We're going to draw this riser coming out from the floor, so we're going to start it at 0 inches. The next step is to click on the drawing where you'd like the crosshairs to dictate the pivot point we're going to use. You can pick a random place for this exercise, but there are exercises on how to place duct in specific locations. I'm going to click once. Notice now that I've got the duct rotating along the z-axis. It should also specify rotation on z-axis right here in the command line. It's easier to rotate when you have polar tracking on. So we're going to turn polar tracking on. Now you can see here that we've got the ability to choose specific angles, or I could type in a degree. To make a riser, we need to rotate this on the Y. Practicad is telling us here that we have the XY axis or right/front. We must type in the command line F for Y, or front. When I hit enter, I will now have the ability to rotate this duct along the Y axis or front axis. You will see the X for down and the circle for up. Once you've got a position, click again. Now Practicad should say specify rotation around Z-axis because it's asking you to rotate it around the Z again. Select what you would like and click again. The last step would be to choose a method of routing. In this tutorial, we're only going to route with piece, but this should be the last thing you see before you are one click away from placing the duct on a drawing. You will notice if we click one more time, the duct is placed. Once the duct is placed, Practicad crosshairs will be on a new piece of rectangular duct. And if I would like to continue from the first piece, I can type in C in the command line, which stands for continue, and then hit enter, and it should snap to the original piece. Every time I click now, Practicad will place a duct down. We've done 3 clicks for 3 more pieces of duct. When I've got the riser to the proper height, I can hit escape, and we have successfully drawn a riser.